Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesala Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be from the mid-month of the June till the mid-month of the July. This is going to be for Taurus, sun, moon and rising sign. Okay, in this video, I'm going to pull some cards in order to clarify your past, present and future situation and end up the video pulling some advice. Before that, I'm going to clarify some cards for you. Okay, it's going to be for Taurus. In the recent past, we got the Lovers, the Seven of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Cups for the present moment, Four of Cups for the present moment Magician. For the future, we have the Knight of Swords, there is the Wheel of Fortune, there is the Hanged Man. The challenge for the week is Nine of Cups. The challenge for the week is to get what you want. What are you wishing for? So finally the challenge for the week is you might struggle, go through a lot of conflicts, go through a lot of thinkings in order to get what you want. There may be, you guys might be in some situation like in relationship where you really not satisfied with this person. You might not be that happy with this person. So finally I see you're going through self-satisfaction. Many of you are going through what you want. You are looking after what you want, what you really want. You are like getting your happiness. The challenge for the week is that you're satisfying, you're going to get your satisfaction. Okay, in the recent past there was you guys might be in a relationship with someone, could be Gemini. You might be in relationship with the Gemini. I see someone wasn't being sure about the relationship, the concept of relationship. Someone was acting like on and off. Someone used to value you. It could be you. They used to value this relationship. On the next time, they didn't care about this person, didn't care about this relationship, because that ended you up thinking two things about this person, about this relationship. You started to think twice about this relationship, like, is this the one? Should I have to really work on this concept? Or you guys might be juggling between two ideas in your mind about this person. There may be two thinkings going on. Should I have to be in relationship though this person has something too much similar? You both really share same values, same connection, you value same thing, like you really value something in this connection, but the other person might seems like being on and off in this relationship. You might end up thinking what's going on. It's a confusion. Okay, in the present moment there's a Six of Cups, there is a Four of Cups, there is the Magician. In the present moment there is someone in this relationship. It could be you or it could be your person thinking about past. They haven't come out of their ex. They might be thinking about someone. There will be chances that in their life there could be like their ex, their past partner could be coming in their life in the present moment. In the situation, I feel your partner is not sure. They're like rejecting them in the present moment, but they're not sure about their emotions. Okay, then that is why that person could be neglecting you in the relationship. They're like thinking like on and off in the present situation. So many of you are taking action towards something, towards your manifestation in the present moment. What you wish for, you're going to take some action towards your wishes in the present moment. We're going to clarify it. In the future, there is the Knight of Swords, there is the Wheel of Fortune, there is the Hangman. For many of you are dealing with the air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Strongly I'm getting Gemini here. This person in the near future, they're rushing towards you. There's a chances that they might act something cold. They might really make you think like, why this person is so cold to me. This person was so happy or so smooth with me, but right now they're just rushing into something. They want some clarification. Chances that this person rushing into you for some clarification, they're doing some major change. Okay, this could be positive or negative. They're making some major change in the future. You guys end up being stuck in your head. Okay, what should I have to do in order to get my wish, my desire, in order to get my thing, what should I have to do? You might end up being thinking a lot more things towards this person. Okay, a lot more thing is going on, Taurus. We're gonna clarify the challenge for the week, the Nine of Cups. What is it all about? Okay. Okay, so the challenge for the week is clarified by the Star, the Four of Cups, the Three of Pentacles. I see the challenge for the week is related to something you desire. You're hoping something from this person. Though this person act like being cold or something like they're not happy in this connection or being confused, okay, there is something related to this rejection. It could be you rejecting this person's offer, or this person could be rejecting you in this month, in this mid-month to the July mid-month. You're really working out, like you're really trying to work out with this person. Okay, right? I think this is related to your relationship. Many of you are asking about your relationship. You don't want to lose this person, though this person act like neglecting you, act like being cold to you, but the end of the day, end of the month, you really want this connection. You're not ready to let go of this person. You're getting what you want. You're getting what you want. Many of you, the challenge for the week is you're working out things between you and your partner, and you're actually working out because you want your happiness, you want your satisfaction. Okay, we're going to clarify the Lovers card. There was some you had been in relationship with someone in the recent past, which made you end up thinking, like end up being confused. I'm going to clarify the Lovers. The Lovers is clarified by the Fool, the World, the Ace of Wands. Many of you just want to give it a fresh, though whatever happening in the present situation, you just want to some of you just want to come out of this relationship, or really end this, whatever happening in your relationship, what was happening, you just wanted to end and just give it a fresh start. Whatever you were ready to compromise with your partner. Whatever is happening, you're ready to compromise, ready to give it a new fresh start, ready to end the situation, and actually ready to give it a fresh start. But that person was being cold, that person was really being cold, like that person wasn't sure about their emotions. Though you are ready to compromise with this person, whatever happening, because you want this person very badly. Okay, you ended up being thinking about the situation, about this person. We're going to clarify the Two of Pentacles. Why did you end up being thinking two things about this person? Okay, there's a Six of Wands. There's a Six of Wands. There is the Devil. There's a Queen of Pentacles. Okay, you think that you just want to be happy. Okay, you just want to get something from this connection. You might think two things, like detaching from this person and being happy. Okay, in order to get that stability, in order to get that happiness, you might think, once you were thinking in the past, disconnecting from this partner, or really disconnecting from this relationship, from this connection. You thought you had two things in your mind, like really detaching from that situation, or you really wanted to control that partner and wanted them to stay in your life. Okay, there were so many things going on in your head about this person, about this relationship, because you want them. Okay, in the present situation, there's a Six of Cups. You guys are thinking something happened in the past about, maybe for some of you, there might be someone from past coming your way, or it could be something happening in your partner's life. Someone from past might have popped up in their present situation. The Six of Cups is clarified by the Five of Swords, there is the King of Wands, there is the Emperor. For many of you, it couldn't have to be your partner's life, it could be in your life. There is someone from your past who have come in the present situation, who is like creating a lot of conflict in your life in the present situation. This person actually neglected your offer in the past, or you are kind of neglecting this person in the present situation. This person is giving you a lot of hopes in the present situation. They're offering you a lot of stability, they're offering you a lot of confidence. You really want to take some good decision regarding this person in the present situation. It could be you who were like acting on and off in the recent past in the relationship because of this person who have come in the present situation. This person is someone from your past. It could be your ex, okay, with whom you really had some emotional connection. There is something you're going to make an action in the present situation. You're taking some action towards this person in the present situation. We're going to clarify the Magician for you. The Magician is clarified by the Four of Wands. The Knight of Wands, the Hierophant. You might end up thinking about this connection in the positive way. This could be you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a fire sign. I see you guys thinking about to move on with this person who is coming in the present situation, offering you. Okay, they're giving you a lot of stability, lot of hopes. You might be, there may be something related to your past. I mean, like in the past you were in relationship with someone which was kind of toxic. You felt it as like a toxic and ended up deciding something, like ended up being confused. And in the present situation, someone offering you major stability in the relationship, major emotional connection. This could be water sign also, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, you might really take some positive decision towards this person. You end up being in relationship or giving this person some hopes of a relationship because you find your past relationship, it could be this person, the same person, it could be you were in relationship with the same person in the past, but that ended up being toxic, it didn't went good for you in the past. But again, this person is offering you some stability, some hopes, some good hopes. So I see you guys might again recommit with this person because this person gives you a lot of happiness. Okay, in the future there is someone rushing into your life. It could be the same person. Okay, there's a major change is going to happen in the near future. There is some major changes, major opportunity which is going to change. It is going to come from air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Someone is coming your way and passing you some messages. We're going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Swords. This is something related to someone having air sign, what I told. Okay, this person will rush into your life and they're going to deliver you some sort of messages, okay, that you had been waiting. Okay, you were not ready to give up with the person. You were not ready to give up with some situation. Okay, finally you are getting to hear some messages towards that person, towards that situation. Okay, you are ending up being strong. You might start taking action towards this message, whatever you're going to hear. I see that you're going to take some actions. Okay, you're going to control the situation because now you got some messages, so you have now something to control. You're going to make a speedy move, but maybe everything is happening in your head. This person passed you some messages that led you to think a lot many more things in a negative way, okay, in a controlling way. Okay, there's something you end up being thinking a lot about a situation, about a concept, about a person. Something news you are going to hear which will end you up thinking something negativity about the person, about the situation. I'm going to clarify the Hangman. The Hangman is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, by the Six of Cups, by the Eight of Swords. Okay, you have been waiting for something. Finally, many of you, I see you are rushing towards this person whoever come your way in the present situation, the one who was there in the past. Many of you might be giving them an opportunity come into your life. You really waited for this commitment, for this person from a very long time. You didn't lose any hopes about this person. Finally you end up getting out of that confusion state, from restricted state. You really wanted to move towards this person, but you really didn't get any opportunity. But you will come out of a confusion state about this person, okay, who has come from your past. Okay, you will come to some sort of decision, from clearance in your mind about this person. You'll really end up thinking something good about this person. There will be chances of that. You'll change the mindset. That is what the challenge is all about. You'll get what you have been wishing for. You'll work out with this person. Okay, you didn't lose the hope about this person. You're finally working out in this month, till the mid month of the July. Okay, you're going to get, the challenge is that you have to work out in order to get what you want. Okay, you'll get finally. I feel like that you're going to get what you want. If you are expecting it a relationship, then you're going to get it. Okay, just you have to work out with them practically. You don't have to lose the hopes. We're going to pull some advice for you, Taurus. The advice for the month is: bring love into the situation. New moon in Aries. Okay, many of you dealing with Aries, maybe. Okay, whatever the thing is, bring love into the situation. Don't act harsh, don't act being cold, don't come out as a cold. Give them a chance, give them an opportunity, show them what love is. If you still have love towards them, then show it. Bring love into the situation. Okay, just don't act like detached one. That is all I have for the Taurus people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.